Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ice cream van. First, you need to carefully plan your venture. Start by setting a clear budget, perhaps between $20,000 and $50,000, and identify your ideal customer base. Next, research all local permits and health codes required for mobile food operations. Finally, choose a reliable vehicle chassis, such as a Ford Transit or Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, that offers ample space for your equipment and operations. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful start. Once your vehicle is chosen, the conversion process begins. You will need to insulate the van's interior thoroughly to maintain consistent temperatures, crucial for keeping your products perfectly frozen. Next, install all necessary plumbing for sinks and water tanks, along with a reliable electrical system to power your equipment. Select high-quality commercial freezers and soft-serve machines, which can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 each, ensuring durability and efficiency for your daily operations. Now let's focus on making your ice cream van stand out. Design an attractive exterior with vibrant colors and a memorable logo that reflects your brand's personality. Develop a diverse menu featuring popular ice cream flavors, perhaps offering 10 to 12 different options, along with unique toppings and specials. Finally, strategically plan your routes, identifying high-traffic areas like parks, schools, and community events to maximize your visibility and sales opportunities. A strong brand identity is key. With your van ready, it is time to focus on operations. Ensure you have obtained all necessary permits and health certifications from local authorities before serving customers. Source premium ingredients, such as fresh dairy and natural flavorings, from reliable suppliers to guarantee product quality. Establish a rigorous daily cleaning and maintenance schedule for your equipment and vehicle, which can take about 1 to 2 hours each day, to ensure hygiene and longevity. Consistent quality and cleanliness are paramount for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.